What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, welcome back to the channel. My name is Pablo. This is Tire Garage TV. I work, own, and live at the Tire Garage, but today we actually hanging out at Bedford Road Trail. It's a little trail out here by Corona, and yo, we're hitting the trail today. Well, it's our first unintentional break because we got the blue Jeep over there. They got a warning light on for the hot oil. Transmission oil gets a little heated up, probably because we're going uphill and because it's a two-wheel drive, so it starts to heat up a little bit on her. But she should be good. We'll let it cool down for a bit, have some water, have a beer, why not? And we'll be on our way.
Y ya me aburrí y ya sí la busqué. Sí. Pero ahora ya, y luego en tiempos de calor dije, ni lo voy a hacer.
Acá el Pablo es el cómplice.
Como si nada. Mira, grab a line almost like an S. There you go. Left, left. There you go. Ooh, almost. You're good, you're good, you're good. There you go. Tragué puro pinche polvo. it up, bro. Yeah, back it up. Your back tire's in a ditch, that's why. Driver, hard driver. I say you creep up through the driver's side of the trail. Creep up on the driver's side and then go towards the passenger. Yeah, this way or that way. There you go. There you go. There you go. Woo. This fucking ditch is legit. Look at this thing. This thing is jagged. Look at this. Jagged ass rocks. Somebody could have popped the tire right here. Hey, but we made it through. Let's roll. shit. That shit's steep. You got it though? Bam. Woo!
Hey, look at this right here.
Yeah. That's so steep. Dale, viejo. Dale. Está bien resbaloso aquí. This fool does it like nothing. This fool does it like nothing. Like no question, just do it. I kind of feel like jumping in the cooler. It's so freaking hot out today. Where's the temperature in this car? Oh, Jesus. It reads 103. 103. Woo! It's hot. Hey, when you off-road, sometimes your shit gets broken, huh? Sometimes your shit gets broken.
Every time. Every time.
It happens. Dude, look at this dude. This dude broke his shit. He peeled off a plastic fender. I think you peeled off that same fender last time, no? That same fender broke off last time, no? I think so. Woo. All right, let's roll. Vámonos. What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, we're back. We made it back safely, and luckily everything was good. That day was hot, man, and on top of that, everybody came back with a little trophy, either a little scuff or a little fender, you know, tore off by a tire. I ended up on the Ranger. I ended up scuffing up, not scuffing, like literally, the rocks, since it's not a four-wheel drive. It was that Ranger's a two-wheel drive. So it ended up like tearing parts of the tire off because the back tires were carrying all the weight. So when that happens, the rock is so jagged that it bites and tears off pieces, like chunks off of the tire. And I ended up doing that to the back two tires on that Ranger. So hey, it's part of off-roading. It's part of what you do. You break stuff and you fix it. You scratch stuff and then you gotta fix it. But tires like that, you know, if you go through tires, you gotta replace those. No way to fix a tire. So it's part of it. It's part of going off-road. But I love it and it's a lot of fun. And to be honest, I'd do it again, honestly. So I'm gonna post my Instagram up here. I'm gonna post the shop Instagram up here. Go follow those two accounts. I appreciate you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for being here. And yo, let's do it again. Let's do it again. I'm gonna be posting more consistently now here on the channel, so go follow that. Plus, I'm gonna post the links down below. I'm starting the new store online, so we can post up, you know, gear, t-shirts, stuff like that, hats. I'm gonna be creating all that stuff. So hopefully by this video coming out, I'll have some stuff out there. But if not, it'll be coming out soon. All right, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate you for that. Gotta wait for the paletero to pass by, because of course the paletero has to pass by right when I'm in the middle of this. All right, so thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I'll catch you on the next one. All right, see you guys soon.